Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom prides itself on the deals and discounts it offers its customers.
We call it real savings here in our organization to the consumer, and we really like giving those real savings.
But Appliance Factory's Kevin Draco says real savings are going to be a little harder to come by soon because prices on appliances at the company's 18 stores are about to go up.
You're not going to find the pricing of appliances today, and that could be as soon as tomorrow. We're right at that point.
In January, the U.S. imposed 20% tariffs on imported washing machines, an attempt to protect American appliance manufacturers like Whirlpool. Now, having reached a threshold of 1.2 million imported washers, those tariffs are about to jump to 50%. Products made by foreign manufacturers like Samsung and LG Electronics have already gone up in price and will become costlier still.
No matter what, there's going to be price increase to the consumer.
So Appliance Factory is trying to turn lemons into lemonade. It's conducting a pre-tariff sale with as much as 40% off its appliances. Buy the washer, get a free dryer, says one ad.
No, I'm not surprised.
Alexander Padilla of Metropolitan State University of Denver says pre-tariff sales help keep consumers from being blindsided by price hikes.
One of the secrets of profits in the long run is to build a reputation of being a fair, honest salesperson.
At the end of the day, we thought, wow, well, if this is really who we are and what we stand for, we need to give the consumer a heads up.
Give them a reason, he says, to make a purchase they might otherwise postpone. Appliance Factory increased washer imports to keep prices steady this summer, but worries the tariff may cause supplies of these products to run low. Meantime, shoppers we spoke with don't seem worried about the current trade disputes.
I've heard about it, but I'm not really one up on the news and all the other stuff. That's my husband's job.
The people that work 8, 12 hours a day, they don't have time to think about that.
Draco says he's a free trader at heart.
Oh, well, you're going to tariff me, I'm going to tariff you. Well, you're going to tariff me, I'm going to tariff you more. I don't like it. I don't think it's good for the economy.
He says consumers will inevitably experience some sticker shock when the tariffs really kick in. He wants to avoid giving them any unpleasant surprises. Hendrik Sabrandi, CGTN, Denver.